Howdy! And how y'all doing today? Constructed in 1926, the mountain highway on Grouse Mountain was dreamed up by a wealthy banker named William Curtis Shelley. Since Grouse Mountain was already rich with avid hikers and outdoors enthusiasts, Shelley thought to capitalize by building a chalet in which the road would serve as an access point. Unfortunately, in 1930, the Second Narrows Bridge, which served as the only means of transportation to the North Shore, temporarily closed. 4 years had passed with no tourists, and although business to his chalet picked up when the bridge reopened, Shelley was too far in debt and ended up surrendering the road and his land to the district of North Vancouver. The road was also extremely treacherous, and snowy conditions on the uneven road surface claimed many automobiles as they creamed over the edge. Now, I've heard that some of these cars were never recovered, and the mountainside also holds possessions that were in those automobiles. So as long as nothing's been plundered, we should be able to set our eyes on some "let's go have a whole good time, yeah!" Wow, looky. Absolutely no rain. Got a little window here, so let's go up the mountain highway. Excellent, so we made it to the trailhead, and it looks like everyone in North Vancouver is here today because that prime opportunity with no rain is like from now to like 2 hours, and then kind of we're stuck for the next couple days with another atmospheric river, so can't wait. Yeah, so we're gonna actually intersect Mountain Highway. We're not gonna start from the bottom. There's a trail called Executioner, which is a fitting name as it goes straight up, and then we'll intersect it, and then from there we'll kind of go along Mountain Highway and drop down and try and find some of these cars. Okay, we're about a third of the way up Executioner here, or St. George's actually, sorry, this is the route we took. The temperature's starting to drop a bit with our elevation gain, and so far so good because the rain's holding off, and I only wore a fleece, so yeah, we're just gonna keep getting it, and probably another half an hour until we hit the old mountain highway, so let's keep going.
So if you look really closely up there, you can see kind of a swath and a break in the trail where Mountain Highway is. Oh, we'll keep going onwards. And Mountain Highway. Been kind of walking along the top here for a little while. Mountain Highway. Trying to see if I see anything, and I don't. So I'm just gonna have to keep looking, I guess. I can't remember what it said, where to find this thing. So we'll keep looking, keep you updated. All right, so I'm still looking here, but I'm kind of thinking, if I were a car, where's the most likely place to go off the road? And we're actually coming up to a switchback, so I mean, it's likely that you either drove straight off here going up, or you know, came down kind of this way and went off that way. So we're gonna actually descend a bit down into this corner and see if we can see anything. Bingo, look at this, eh? Look at this, part of an old dash. Look at the old fan. So yeah, I mean, wonder what this was. Fasten seatbelts, and hopefully they fasten their seatbelts, because this piece is like mangled here. Hey, all right, there's a cushion up there too. So this must be it. So we're gonna keep going down, see if we can find the body. All right, this is really frustrating. I'm losing light now with this next storm system moving in. So we're actually gonna go back down the mountain, go eat, and then we're gonna come back up the mountain, hike back up the mountain this afternoon, because everyone's directions have just been nothing but just going in circles, and it's an absolute nightmare. So this is the stuff I do to get the shots. So this is gonna be a long day. Okay, guess what? We're not going down, we're going back up, because just on my way down there, heading back to the car, I ended up talking to the cyclist, and he apparently pointed me in the right direction here. But boy, is it getting cold. Temps dropping, storms coming in. So this is our final shot here. I've actually never done this trail, but we're gonna keep on looking out, so yeah. Okay, that's so cool. I'm glad we found it. Glad we kind of pushed on, persevered, came back up, because this close to not getting these shots, but see what happens. You just got to keep going, and eventually things will work out for you. So I am cold, very cold. Temperature's dropping quite rapidly with this system coming in, so I'm gonna kind of make my way quickly back down to the car and maybe take a couple shots on the way down, but catch up with you back when we got some warmth. Okay, yep. We are out of the forest. Incredible. It's about 2.5, 3 hours. Not too bad. And just in time for the rain.